Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melissa. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me today to some thrift shops, and I'm specifically looking for some jewelry, some sparkly little doodads. I just feel like getting out, going thrifting. I've got a lot of different ideas coming up for Christmas decorations and lots of DIYs, so I'm looking for cheap little pieces for my DIYs and maybe for some tablescapes that I'm going to be doing soon. All of those videos will be coming up really soon, so make sure that you stay tuned to see those, and let's just get to thrifting. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there are snow flurries and it is dark and gloomy and 26 degrees. I'm back from thrifting and I'm so excited, and I gotta show you guys this sweater because how perfect is this sweater for November and for Thanksgiving. So sorry if you can hear my dog walking around and drinking water and eating treats in the background. I just got home and I have to hurry up and record this because once my kids get here Friday night, it's going to be very loud. But anyway, speaking of Thanksgiving, back to what I was trying to say before, I'm gonna do a little Thanksgiving tablescape, and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on it and I don't want to store like tons of stuff either. So I'm gonna try to use dishes that I already have. I'm gonna use my Cape Cod Avon red dishes. If you guys have been here before, you've already seen me use those for my vampire theme Halloween dishes tablescape. But next I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving-y fall themed one, and I'm going to be using my amber glass alongside with my red glass. I've been collecting amber glass for a while now, and I'm absolutely in love with this darker color of amber. I also like the light, more yellowy colored one, but look how beautiful this bowl is. And please somebody tell me what this is for. Were these for candles? Like 5 little candles and maybe 1 big candle in the center? That's what I'm thinking this was, for like a centerpiece. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this before. I'm so in love with this, so I'm really excited that I found this one. And it also has this hobnail look on the sides of it and these like beautiful scalloped top. I just absolutely adore this. I think it's so cool, and I hope I can find tiny candles to fit in here because I'm still trying to find tiny candles to fit inside of my other candelabra. If you guys have been here, you already probably know what I'm talking about. Then I found these at the very last second. I was about to walk out the door and I found these little amber glass. Oh my gosh, they're so absolutely precious for like sugar and creamer, and they were like 80 cents. And I got this little bowl, which is just a simple, like it looks like a little flower. It's like a lighter yellow color, but absolutely precious. And since it was pink tag, it was 50% off. And then I got this amber glass bowl, which is beautiful, and it matches like some of the plates I think that I have bought already from previous thrifting trips. So I'm really excited to be able to add this one to my collection. The other color of glass that I collect is green, so I found this beautiful bowl. I love that it's like a pedestal shape and it has all these pretty little flowers and leaves around it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, probably a tablescape. I might even add some of my green dishes into my Thanksgiving tablescape. I don't want it to be like too Christmassy with red and green, since I'm going to do some red dishes, unless I like totally opt out the red and just do green and amber. I'm not sure yet. We're going to just play with it and see how it goes. Then I was able to find this tablecloth. It's like a linen natural colored tan tablecloth for $3. There's no stains on it, and I'm really hoping that it's big enough to fit my table. If not, I'm just gonna make it work somehow. But I've been looking on Amazon for these, and they're like the cheapest tablecloths I'm finding like this are like $20, and they're so expensive, and I'm just like, I don't want, you know, I just want to save money. So I was really excited to be able to find this, and I can use this for so many different holidays since it's neutral. It'll go with everything. And I'm not a huge fan of tablecloths in the first place, but we don't have a nice table right now. It's been scratched and colored on and there's paint on it and stuff. We have 4 kids, so I'm not really worried about it. So when we do like a fancy tablescape, I just like to use tablecloths because it's a fast and easy way to change up the look and have it look pretty without having to spend a lot of money on a table. One sec. We're gonna buy a new table, but probably wait till the kids are older. And then I got these little candlesticks. They're so cute. So I have an obsession with candelabras and candlesticks, and most of mine are brass, but I have been collecting some wood ones. I think so far I have like a really cool wood one that's got like 6 of these all together stuck on one plate or pedestal type thing, and then I've got some lighter wood ones and some dark ones like this that are really tall, and you've probably seen them in some of my other Decorate With Me videos, but these ones are small and cute, and I just thought they would look so cool added to my other wood ones, and they were so cheap as well. And sticking with this kind of earthy toned hippie vibe colors, I found this beautiful serving plate. This was only $1, and it's like a Corelle plate. And look at the colors of this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, and it's so like cottage core with like the earthy toned cottage core. So I was like really excited to find this for some probably springtime. It could also be used for fall picnicking. And then I found this vintage material. Look at this material. Oh my gosh, it's 1.5 yards, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to make a skirt out of this, and it would be like the coolest freaking skirt ever. I just love these colors, if you can't tell. So I got that. It was really cheap, and then I saw this and I wanted to scream in the store. I've never wanted one of these before until I saw this color and this pattern. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm like obsessed with this. So it was really cheap and it's really adorable, and I'm just totally going to stack some of like, I have like these colors in my office, and lots of like little hippie things in there that is kind of along this color theme. So I want to probably put like notebooks or magazines or some, you know, I have a whole bunch of magazines and things stored on my bookshelf, and there's like no room left on my bookshelf. So maybe I will take those off and have them in a cute little side thing under the desk, and then use my bookshelf for books instead. Right, we're almost done, and I had to get this. If you guys have been following me like since the summer, I'm obsessed with this cottage core vibe and picnics, and oh my gosh, this also is like a 70s or 60s, I don't know, look with all the strawberries. I would love to have like a whole set of strawberry stuff, but for me, like my vibe is more like the colored glass, but for like picnics and tea parties, which we love to have in the summer and spring all the time. And I never made those videos, you guys. I'm really sorry. I'm still planning on doing it. I have all the dishes and I'm ready to have a picnic. So next spring for sure we'll be doing some really cute cottagecore type picnics where we dress up, and I have a strawberry dress and there's sequins on it. It's so fancy and pretty and exciting and floofy, so I'm going to be wearing that, and we're going to have a little strawberry tea party with my cottagecore dishes. And the last things I got is this frame. It's nothing too exciting. I don't know how old it is, but it kind of reminded me of an old frame because of the sides here and how they're kind of gilded. Not really, or is that ornate? I don't know. Like, I don't know. But anyways, I think it's like perfect for what I'm going to use it for, because I'm going to be making a Christmas craft. And I was trying to find a frame like this perfect size. And then I also found that's what I'm getting the jewelry for. So some of you can probably guess what I'm going to be making. But I picked up some Christmassy jewelry, and oh my gosh, this little chair is so cute. And then some old sparkly earrings, which my camera does not want to show you. Here's some more little sparkly, oh, it's backwards. Oh, also this little present, which is going to be perfect for what I'm making. And then these were in the free box, so somebody had made these, and they're actually kind of cute, and I want to teach my kids how to make them. That'd be like a really fun little craft using things we already have at home. But somebody had put this, what looks like a vintage, kind of ugly little horse, and so I thought maybe I will use that for my craft as well. And I don't know, this was just a cute little idea, so I took these so we can try to make these at home for a kid craft. I lied, there's one more thing. It's this cute little glass. When I was a kid, my parents had glasses like this. They were like taller ones. I think they had a stem on them, and we would drink out of them all the time to be fancy for Christmas time. And I just saw this and it was so nostalgic. It was only 50 cents, and so I decided to get this to sip. I was either gonna sip wine, otherwise this new drink I gotta show you. So if you guys love Baileys, but you have any type of dairy intolerance, you should definitely try this. I mean, I guess I can't say try because I haven't tried it yet to see if it's any good, but it has. Okay, my camera died. So anyways, it has really good reviews, and I'm really excited to try this just on ice or add it to like hot cocoa or coffee or something like that. It's made with almond milk, so if you like this kind of cream drink, then definitely check this one out if you can find it in a liquor store around you. I'm in my PJs now. I forgot to make an outro because I was in such a rush, if you couldn't tell by my speed talking. But I just wanted to let you guys know that this is actually really good. It's very, very almondy, so if you like the taste of almonds, then you will definitely like this little special Christmassy holiday drink. So good for lactose sensitive people. And anyways, do you guys see these little candelabras? I have them on each side of my bed here, and that was the one that I saw in the thrift store today, but they only had one there, and it had like a glass, what is it called, like the sconce part of it on there. And I don't know if these ones were supposed to have a sconce. I got these years ago. I probably had them from, like, I don't know, maybe 13 years ago, like when we were newlyweds, and I actually spray painted them black. I'm sad that I did, but that one was also spray painted black. I just thought that was so funny because I've never seen those anywhere else before. So anyways, I just wanted to say, hope you're having a good weekend, a good night. Cheers to Friday, or I guess it'll probably be Monday when you're watching this. And hope you guys all have a happy Thanksgiving. Make sure that you are stay tuned. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on our Thanksgiving and Christmas content. And I'll be doing like tons of, I don't know, all different sorts of things, crafts and like shopping hauls. And I want to do lots more nature-y things and slow living things. And yeah, anyways, okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.